Maintaining equipment and facilities. If your premises and equipment are not designed for food use or are not in good condition or do not work properly, you may make unsafe and/or unsuitable food. Broken equipment and unkept building can allow pests and bugs in your food. This can lead to unsafe and unsuitable food. The water you use for food prep, hand washing, and cleaning must always be clean. You need to regularly check and maintain water pipes, tanks, and water treatment systems. You must have a record in place documenting your regular maintenance tasks or repairs, detailing who does them and when. This includes how often you're inspected and maintained, your water system and tanks if you're on own supply or if you're a mobile operator. Some examples for your consideration could be ovens, dishwashers, grease traps, slicers and mixers, chopping boards, waste bins, ice machines, thermometer, storage containers, utensils, extraction equipment, coffee machine, surfaces and flooring, fly screens, water tanks, and many more. Calibration of thermometer, part of maintaining equipment. If your thermometer is not reading accurately, this can be a huge risk to the safety and suitability of your food. It is best practice to calibrate your thermometer at least once every 6 months or in line with the manufacturer's instructions. Documentation should show ice slurry temperature and the boiling point temperature if using hot food checks. The acceptable range for calibration is 0 or 100. If sitting outside this range, try recalibrating it. If still reading incorrectly, change the batteries and retry, or a new thermometer will need to be purchased. Please note it is not possible to get an accurate reading of the boiling point temperature on an infrared thermometer, therefore it is not required. For better accuracy of the icy cold temperature with an infrared thermometer, make the surface opaque by placing a damp tissue on the ice.